Alright, and then in the next step, I'll go over here to the library and look for the polycurve dot by join package. Select it over here and open it up in the Dynamo. Then I'll uncheck the preview of the offsets so that we can join them up and then hit run. Now what this does is it converts them into one, and then I'm going to use the polycurve.curves package and then hide the by joined one. Alright, then connect the polycurve to here and run. Alright, and this is our final surface. And then after that, I'll go over to the library once again, but this time I'll search for wall.by and open up this one that says curve and height. So we get the curve from the here. Alright, and then we have the height input as well. I'll add a number slider for that, and as the example, I'll put in 2200 for the minimum of our wall height and 4000 as the maximum, and we can move it 1 millimeter by 1. Then I'll put it on 3200 as the default and connect it to the height, and then we have the level to figure out. In order to get this one, I'll go over here and get a copy of the categories and all elements of category, Ctrl V, and bring them down here. Then I'll search for levels in the categories. Now this gives us all of the levels that are available in the project. Run, and there we go. After that, I'll look for the level.name package and open it up here. Connect it to the elements, and this, what it does is it gives us the names. Alright, so we get the level names up to level 5. Then I'll search for the comparison sign and open up the package. Then I'll use the get parameter value by name and the string that's connected to it, copy and paste, bring it down here and rename the string to level, and then we can connect these two to the comparison. The level name goes to the Y and this one goes over here. Run, and now we can see the levels that have rooms listed here. So then I'll right click here and put the lacing on cross products. Now what this does, it evaluates all of the possible options because we have trues and false in each level. Then in order to turn this into a string, I'll open up the string from object package. This one connects to here and then hit run. There we go, and then I'll use the list.index of package, connect the string from object to list. Then I'll add another string here, and then we're going to search for the true items here. So type the true in the string and connect it to the elements and hit run. Then I'll fix the list on level 2, run once again, and the results that we get are 0, 1, and 2, and 3. These are the room types that we've already created. Then I'm going to use the get item and index package. We get the index from here, and then the list we can get from the level name over here. Run, and from all the levels available, it only gives us the ones that had rooms in them. And what this gives us is our level over here. Then we only have the wall type input, which we can get from the wall type over here. Then I'll save the Dynamo, then click on the run option in order to do all of the wall finishes. Now we get a warning which we need to fix. Now let's take a look at the warning itself to see what we can do. So what I've done here is disconnect these and then reconnect them once again and press run. And there we go. Now let me just close the Dynamo. So we've done all of the wall finishes of the project carefully and precisely using one click. And here you can see all of the spaces have been filled using the materials that we've specified previously. Now let me just go over here and put the transparency on 0 so we can get a better look into the walls. There it is. And according to what we've learned in the project before, we can also control these using join just as easy as you can see right now. And that's an excellent fact that you can control these using one click. And well, all right, that's all for now.